Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MINE. We are going to take a look at the weekly time frame. Now, real quick, if you're not familiar with charting, what I mean by weekly time frame is instead of each one of these bars representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 1 week's worth of price action. So this bar right here, 1 week, another week. So this is definitely for the overall chart. So if you're a day trader that's using a 5 minute or 10 minute chart, then this isn't going to be too useful for you. But if you care about the overall chart and what's going on, then I wanted to do this. And I had some questions on, hey, what's going on from kind of a larger time frame, larger scheme type thing. So all in all, very healthy chart here, and maybe thinking how can it be healthy when we've been putting in all these lows in recent weeks. But when we expand the chart and look how it's acting around certain levels, it's a very good sign of strength. So the first thing is nice to see it continue to maintain above the 50-week simple moving average. You can see here after it broke above it, well, let's take a step back here, acted as resistance 3 weeks in a row, and then when it finally got above it, you can see just the perfect example of a resistance turning into a support with all those back tests, and since then hasn't even been tested. But at the end of the day, 0.0027, which is the 50-week simple moving average, is a very important level of support. But the one thing that caught my eye that I noticed was this level right here, which was a previous pretty important level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, it is a level of support, has been doing just that, acting as support. Right here you can see acted as resistance, resistance again, resistance again, resistance that week, and then when the price finally did get above it, you can see what happened, really shot upwards, and that's been doing a great job these past 3 weeks in a row, you can see, of holding the price right there. So while I'm not going to call it a must hold, because that would be more towards a 50-week simple moving average, this level, which is at 004, is ideal level, meaning if this can hold before heading back up and putting in new highs, that would make the chart look that much better. Now, in terms of resistances, pretty straightforward. The big one right now was just the peak from over here in August, which was 0071. However, another thing that caught my eye is a future big battle that'll hopefully be going down is right over here. You can see 3 weeks in a row price tried to get through this level up here, and it could not, which is 008. So 008 is definitely a future big level of resistance, but don't want to get too far ahead of myself. First, just gotta get back up here and retest this 007 area. But all in all, good looking chart. Nice to see these higher highs and higher lows being put in. That's the name of the game. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to check it out and make an investment into your education and yourself as a trader and give it a try. One more time, this was MINE, the weekly chart. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.